to Cognixia Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Cognixia Podcast. Every week, we bring you new insights into the world of emerging technologies. We have an exciting new episode for you today, and we totally cannot keep calm. So grab your popcorn, put on your headphones, and let's dive right in. The internet has been buzzing with a new viral video that has taken social media by storm. Footage of a humanoid robot going berserk in what looks like a factory setting. If you have been anywhere near Instagram, TikTok, or on Twitter in the past few weeks, your feeds have likely been flooded with this startling clip that shows what appears to be a routine test gone terribly wrong. This incident has sparked countless discussions about robot safety and reignited age-old fears about machines turning against their human creators. Today, we are going to unpack this fascinating collision of cutting-edge robotics technology and deep-seated cultural anxieties, exploring not just the what and how, but also the why, and perhaps most importantly, what it means for our automated future. Let us start with some context on what exactly happened in this viral footage. The video shows two engineers in what appears to be an undisclosed Chinese factory observing a humanoid robot. Initially, everything seems normal, just a routine inspection or demonstration of the machine's capabilities. But within seconds, the situation takes a dramatic turn. The robot suddenly begins to flail its arms erratically, with movements that appear surprisingly aggressive rather than simply malfunctioning. What makes the footage particularly unsettling is that the robot seems to deliberately move toward one of the engineers, swinging its mechanical arms in what many viewers have described as a premeditated attack straight out of a science fiction thriller. Fortunately, the engineers were able to quickly respond, subduing the robot by returning its stand to the proper position, which appeared to calm the machine and end the alarming behavior. The video spread like wildfire across social media platforms, racking up millions of views within days. It didn't take long for the internet to do what it does best: create memes, spark heated debates, and fuel both legitimate concerns and outlandish conspiracy theories about our robot overlords finally making their move. Some reports have identified the machine in question as the Unitree H1 full-size universal humanoid robot, a sophisticated piece of technology designed for commercial and research applications. The prevailing theory is that a coding error triggered the unexpected behavior, essentially a software glitch rather than any kind of autonomous decision-making or robot rebellion. But that technical explanation hasn't stopped the internet from having a field day with more dramatic interpretations. The social media mechanics fueled the fire. Hashtags like #RobotRampage and #RoboApocalypse started trending. Compilation videos incorporating the footage with dramatic music or comedic edits racked up millions of views on TikTok, and armchair experts began proliferating across comment sections, offering their take on what really happened. It wasn't just about the video itself, but the shared experience of collective technological anxiety that it tapped into. What made this trend particularly sticky was its perfect blend of real technology and cultural mythology. We've been primed by decades of science fiction, from the Terminator to Ex Machina, to expect robots to eventually turn against us. This video, however brief and likely innocuous in reality, seemed to offer proof that those fictional fears might have some basis. To understand why this incident resonated so deeply with people, we need to appreciate the current state of robotics and AI development. We're living through a period of unprecedented advancement in both fields. Boston Dynamics robots perform parkour and dance routines with eerie precision. Tesla is developing the Optimus humanoid robot. AI systems like ChatGPT can generate human-like text, while others can create photorealistic images or compose music indistinguishable from human artists. These technologies are evolving at a breakneck pace, pushing boundaries that many people struggle to keep up with. Just a decade ago, the capabilities we now take for granted would have seemed like science fiction. This rapid evolution creates a perfect environment for anxiety to flourish. Many people simply don't understand how these technologies work, making it easier to project fears onto them. The Unitree H1 robot at the center of the viral video represents the cutting edge of commercial humanoid robotics, standing at approximately 5.9 and weighing around 47 kg. It's designed with impressive physical capabilities. The H1 can walk at speeds up to 3.3 mph, carry payloads of up to 16 kg, and perform a variety of physical tasks thanks to its 21 actuated joints, providing significant degrees of freedom. What many people don't realize is the sheer engineering complexity behind these machines. Creating a bipedal robot that can maintain balance while walking, something humans learn as toddlers without conscious thought, represents an enormous technical challenge. The systems controlling these robots must process vast amounts of sensor data in real time, constantly adjusting and recalibrating to maintain stability and execute commands. The viral incident highlights an important aspect of robotics that engineers have always understood, but the public rarely considers. With mechanical and computational complexity comes an increased possibility of unexpected behaviors. Just as complex software inevitably contains bugs, complex robotic systems inevitably experience operational anomalies. But there is a crucial distinction between a software bug causing your word processor to crash and one causing a powerful mechanical being to swing its arms unpredictably. The physical embodiment of the technology introduces real-world consequences that purely digital systems don't have. When software fails in the cloud, you might lose data. When it fails in a robot, someone might get hurt. This physical risk factor is precisely why robotics engineers implement multiple layers of safety systems. These typically include emergency stop mechanisms, force-limiting algorithms that prevent robots from exerting dangerous levels of force, and operational boundaries that restrict movement when humans are detected nearby. In the viral video, what appeared to be missing or malfunctioning were exactly these kinds of safety protocols. A properly designed commercial robot should never be able to move in ways that could endanger nearby humans, regardless of software glitches or mechanical failures. The incident raises serious questions about the testing procedures and safety standards in place at the facility where the video was recorded. The incident has had significant business implications across the robotics industry. Unitree, the company reportedly behind the H1 robot in the video, experienced immediate stock price fluctuations as investors reacted to the potential reputational damage and liability concerns. More broadly, the incident has renewed calls for stricter regulation of advanced robotics, particularly those designed to operate alongside humans. For the robotics industry as a whole, this represents a challenging moment. Companies have been racing to develop increasingly capable humanoid robots for commercial applications, from warehouse operations to customer service roles. This competitive pressure can sometimes lead to cutting corners on safety testing or pushing systems into field trials before they're truly ready. The incident also highlights the growing public relations challenge facing robotics companies. Public perception of robots is heavily influenced by science fiction portrayals, making it difficult to separate legitimate concerns from irrational fears. When a real robot appears to attack humans, even if the actual explanation is mundane, it reinforces deep-seated anxieties that can hinder public acceptance of beneficial robotic technologies. This tension between technological progress and public anxiety is nothing new. Throughout history, new technologies have often faced resistance rooted in fear of the unknown. From the Luddites of the Industrial Revolution who smashed mechanized looms to modern concerns about AI, humans have consistently worried about machines replacing or harming them. What makes our current moment unique is the convergence of physical robotics with increasingly sophisticated artificial intelligence. While the H1 robot in the viral video wasn't making autonomous decisions, it was simply executing or mis-executing its programming. The line between programmed behavior and learned behavior in advanced systems is becoming increasingly blurred. Modern robots often incorporate machine learning algorithms that allow them to adapt their behavior based on experience. This capability, while powerful for improving functionality, introduces an element of unpredictability that traditional safety engineering approaches struggle to address. How do you ensure the safety of a system that can modify its behavior in ways its creators didn't explicitly program? This brings us to the broader ethical and regulatory questions raised by the viral robot incident. While one malfunctioning robot might be dismissed as an isolated case, it raises fundamental issues about how we govern increasingly autonomous technologies. First, there is the matter of safety standards and certification. Unlike industries such as aviation or medical devices, robotics does not yet have a comprehensive, globally recognized set of safety standards specifically designed for autonomous systems. Different countries and regions have different approaches, creating a fragmented regulatory landscape that can allow potentially dangerous systems to slip through the cracks. liability considerations also come into play. When a robot causes harm, who bears responsibility? Is it the manufacturer who designed the hardware, the software developers who wrote the code, the company that deployed the robot, or some combination of these parties? As robots become more autonomous and their behaviors more emergent, traditional liability frameworks become increasingly inadequate. Then there is the broader question of human oversight. The viral video shows engineers who were able to quickly intervene when the robot behaved unexpectedly. But as robots become more prevalent in various settings, constant human supervision becomes impractical. This raises critical questions about the minimum safety requirements for robots operating with minimal human oversight. Privacy and security concerns also enter the equation. Modern robots are essentially mobile computing platforms, equipped with cameras, microphones, and other sensors that collect vast amounts of data. This creates potential vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. A hacked robot doesn't just represent a data breach, it represents a physical security threat. This raises significant personal risks. A compromised household robot could potentially spy on intimate family moments or provide unauthorized access to your home. Industrial robots could be manipulated to damage equipment or compromise product quality. And as the viral video reminds us, robots with physical capabilities could potentially cause direct harm to humans if their safety systems are compromised. The situation becomes even more concerning when we consider that many consumers and even business operators don't fully understand these risks. The excitement of having cutting-edge robotic technology might overshadow more careful consideration of the potential downsides and necessary safeguards. As we navigate this new frontier where robots are increasingly entering our workplaces and homes, we need to consider what responsible development and deployment mean. True innovation in robotics should include not just enhanced capabilities but enhanced safety and reliability. Isaac Asimov's famous 3 laws of robotics, while fictional, offer a philosophical starting point. Robots should not harm humans, should obey human orders, and should protect their existence, as long as this doesn't conflict with the first 2 laws. Modern robotics requires more nuanced approaches, but the core principle remains valid. Human safety must be the paramount concern. This does not mean that robotics development should slow down or stop. Robots have enormous potential to improve human lives, from assisting the elderly and disabled to performing dangerous jobs that put human workers at risk. But there is a difference between rapid innovation and reckless deployment, between pushing boundaries and breaking essential safeguards. The democratization of robotics technology doesn't mean abandoning prudent safety measures. True democratization means developing systems that are inherently safe and reliable enough to be used without specialized training or constant expert supervision. This requires a fundamental shift in design philosophy, from creating robots that work well under ideal conditions to creating robots that fail safely under all conditions. As we conclude our exploration of the viral robot incident, let us consider what responsible engagement with this technology might look like. Here are a few principles to keep in mind. First, demand transparency from robotics companies. Companies should be open about their safety testing protocols, the capabilities and limitations of their systems, and the measures they've implemented to prevent harmful behaviors. Second, support the development of comprehensive safety standards. Industry-wide standards, developed with input from technical experts, ethicists, and public stakeholders, can help ensure consistent safety practices across the field. Third, advocate for appropriate regulation that balances innovation with public safety. Regulatory frameworks should be flexible enough to accommodate rapid technological changes while establishing clear red lines around minimum safety requirements. Fourth, invest in education about robotics and AI. Public understanding of these technologies can help reduce irrational fears while promoting informed conversations about legitimate concerns. Finally, encourage designs that keep humans in the loop. Even as robots become more autonomous, they should be designed to work collaboratively with humans rather than independently of them. The viral robot incident represents both the exciting possibilities and complex challenges of our increasingly automated future. By approaching these technologies thoughtfully and responsibly, we can harness their benefits while minimizing their risks. The incident with the Unitree H1 robot, whether it was truly attacking or simply malfunctioning, serves as a timely reminder that as robots become more physically capable and widespread, the stakes of getting safety right become ever higher. It's not about whether robots will take over the world in some dramatic apocalyptic scenario. It's about ensuring that the robots we bring into our world enhance human flourishing rather than undermining it. Otherwise, as some social media users joked after watching the viral video, your 9-to-5 job might soon include dodging haymakers from the office cyborg. And with that, we come to the end of this week's episode of the Cognixia podcast. We hope you enjoyed listening to us. Robotics and AI are powerful tools for any enterprise or individual to leverage, but with great power comes great responsibility. Use these technologies responsibly. And remember that even the most sophisticated robot is only as good as its programming and safety systems. We will be back again next week with another interesting and exciting new episode of the Cognixia podcast. Until then, happy learning and maybe keep an eye on any robots around you just in case.